I have a little thing for cutting boards. So I bought that one for a pattern for 15 bucks at Ross. And then I had this scrap wood that I stained with my DIY. Just literally traced it with the permanent marker, and I'm gonna show you how to do that and what you need to do. And you need to do it because it's good. And then look at this. Okay, please like and subscribe because in my next video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to wood burn. I use my iron orchid stamps to use for a pattern, and then we wood burned. Link to my DIY old and gray and dark and decrepit wood stain that is non-toxic and not hard to clean out of your brushes is in the description box. Okay, I have scrap wood I got from my backyard, and then I've got this cutting board, and I am literally just measuring out the center of the handle to trace off. Okay, I really faked it for you. I just put that in there, but I just mostly eyeball it. But you'll see we kind of had some troubles and had to do a do-over. So maybe you want to spend some time measuring. I don't know. It's just up to you. So I was tracing around this. I will be using a Ryobi cordless jigsaw. If you have to get a plug-in jigsaw, that's fine. But I invested in Ryobi cordless ones, and I'm telling you, you need a jigsaw in your life, okay? You can do so many things. And also you need a sander. So I'm just rounding these corners off. You don't have to, you could leave it square. And then this is important. You want to clamp your wood down to something when you're jigsawing, okay? Seriously, it's dangerous without it. And make sure you don't cut into your tabletop. I've done that one before. Okay, so you just gotta know that these little blades on this get bendy and crazy, and I don't know why I did such a crap job, but for some reason, I've done a bunch of these, and this one was so bad I had to start over, and it takes a lot for me to start over. I'm usually like, just close one eye, it looks great, and move along. No, this, you'll see, it's coming up. My fail is coming up. But you just get in there and you wear safety glasses. I do use safety glasses because I like my eyeballs, I like my phalanges, so I do try to be careful. So here we go. We're just going in there. You need to be patient. There are slow, medium, and fast settings on how fast it cuts. Guys, this turned out like caw. If you don't know what that means, Google it. Well, I don't even know if it's a word. I may have made it up, but look at that. Take two. My next prop, director's chair. I can't wait to point fingers from a director's chair. But anyway, so I literally took this to my chop saw, also cordless Ryobi, love it. And this is not long enough to do it. So you cut it on one side, then you flip it over and cut it on the other side. And there was a little middle part that still didn't get cut, so we jigsaw it off. I'm telling you, this is just inspiration, teaching. I am not a master carpenter. I just get her done. I have fun. It's handcrafted. I like quirky. So if you know you're not that type of person, you're probably on the wrong page, but I'd still love to have you follow me here. So we're cutting the head of this off. I hated to lose that wood because I wanted it big and large, but nope. So right here, we're gonna go again. So you can use whatever shape. You can make up your shape of your own handle. I just love to do this. And we did drill a hole in it. And a lot of times people put leather straps to hang them up. We didn't do that, but you could. One reason my first fail happened was I was not letting the machine do the work. I was pushing the machine faster and bending the blade, and it just made it go cockeyed. So be patient and take your time. Let the machine do its work. Okay, it looks a little pumpkin-y shape, but we're gonna bevel those edges off, and I'm using a pretty strong grit sander to bevel it, and it just really makes it awesome. You can take these and beat your wood up with some hammers and some screwdrivers, and then when you put your dark stain on it, ooh, it looks so good. It looks really rustic, and you could even cut duplicate pieces and then you can glue them together and make it look beefier and thicker. So there's things you can do. So I hope to inspire you to do this. Now, next week, if you will follow along, I release a video once a week. I am doing wood burning.